first thing I like to say about my RadMini. It has been a perfect bike. I've only had a couple of flat tires to deal with. But without further ado, let's get to the review. First, I want to talk about some of the items I've upgraded and changed on the bike. Put hydraulic brakes on the front and on the back of the bike for better stopping power. Then I upgraded the pedals because the pedals that came with the bike kept getting snagged on the seat when I folded them down. So I went to detachable pedals. And the pad itself is a wider pad, so it's more of my foot on the pedal. Then I went with a Cane Creek 3G LT suspension seat post for a soft ride. Then I had my seat reupholstered at the local reupholstery shop, and I did it in Gucci, alligator, and had my DJ name embroidered on the back of the seat. I think it looks pretty good. The next item I added was from MRI Denver. It's a universal MTX deck plate, so it is compatible with the two-peak MTX trunk bag, model number DPX TT9635B. That makes it so it will be a quick release from your bike. I also ordered from MRI Denver the front bottle holder mounting bracket so I could put 2 water bottles on the bike. Then I ordered from Amazon the U-shape water bottle brackets. And also from Amazon, I ordered the Hydrocell 24-ounce water bottles. The next item I ordered was from 1859 Northwest. It's a thumb throttle. And the reason why I got this is because the fatigue on my wrist was too much. I just like moving my thumb to give it throttle. All right, the next item I ordered was a handlebar extender, because as you can see, there is no real estate on the handlebars to mount anything. So with the handlebar extender, I was able to put my phone mount, and if I need more light or another bell or horn, I can mount that on the handlebar extender. And a mirror. You know, you can pick whatever mirror you like. I like this mirror because when I put the bike in my truck, the mirror folds away, not like the bargain mirror on my other bike, where if it falls over, it just breaks. This mirror breaks away really nice. And it's nice. Let's see, this is where I can say it. Let's see, next was my lock, my kryptonite lock. And I mount it up under my front basket. And I ordered a, what is this? A mount so it would connect on a quick release mechanism from Amazon too. But what can I say about this bike? I've had it about 2 years now, put about 3,000 miles on it. I ride on average about 10 to 20 miles a day if I can get out. And it has not given me any problems except for, like I said, flat tires. All the welds are good. The bike doesn't squeak, it's quiet. I use chain lube or chain wax on my chain, and it's an awesome bike. But let me get into the brakes more. I switched to these hydraulic brakes because it stopped on a dime. With all this weight, you know, the bike is, I want to say 70, 80 pounds now. I'm over 200 pounds, and the mechanical brakes slowed it to a stop, where these hydraulic brakes stop it on a dime. Do you hear me? It stops immediately. And the seat post, it's like riding on a pillow, on a cushion of air. Between this and the Cloud 9, the suspension seat post, and this gel seat, you feel no bumps. And riding at 20, 24 miles an hour, you feel everything. You know, the bumps come up faster, but with that setup, you feel nothing. This is 100% worth $1,400. 100%. Best electric bike. My other electric bike, I built that. The motor alone was $1,500. So this bike, I love it. You can't go wrong with RadPower.